I'm Brittany with WTI, and sometimes it's okay to have a little vanity.
I just love the versatility of this white makeup vanity desk by K Road. Putting it together was very straightforward. It comes with the tools that you need, the slides for the drawers. Based on your preference, you can choose which side you would like the pocket and the hooks. And I really appreciated that this came with its own stool, so I didn't have to get something separate. I use this desk for a lot of things, so I really appreciated how big and roomy the drawers were. I could fit my vanity mirror. It has an outlet on the top of the desk so that you can plug in not only your mirror, your blow dryer, and this allows me to get everything done in the morning when I'm getting ready. And again, the drawers can fit all of my makeup, my face care needs. And just as easy as it was to get things out, it's just as easy to put them away, put the mirror away. It's easy to wipe off any mess that I made and stick that stool back in. Like I said, I have a very small bedroom, so I love how the stool fits perfectly and gives me plenty of space right next to my bed. I don't just use this desk for vanity purposes, but also to get work done. That's why I love the pocket on the side. I can set up all the electronics because the outlet is there. I can plug in my computer. The hook allows me to have headphones there ready to use and put back when I'm done. I use this not only for work, but also for personal reasons, to do some studying, writing in my journal. It just fits so much for everything I could possibly need for vanity, study, and a space for all of my electronics, which I can easily plug into the outlet in an awesome compact desk.
I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.